So this Soundcore Q20i might be the best budget wireless Bluetooth headphones I've gotten. So I got this to replace another set of Bluetooth headphones that I've used, which is the MPOW Bluetooth headphones that I use for my PC. This started malfunction, so it's no longer working. So I need something that's kind of comparable to this, and this seems to be the best case for this seems to be the best comparison. Now, in terms of size, they're very similar in terms of the actual frame of it. This is a little bit bigger. The ear cups are a bit smaller on this Q20i compared to the MPALs, but the material on here is a little bit more texture compared to this. This is more soft, but I can see it is more oily on here. Now, this is a bit firmer, but it'll probably be better overall because it'll cup, whereas this, you can see how easy this to press in. It's soft, but it probably is too compressed or something at this point. And you see right here, this is kind of firm too. And this is firm as well. So this is a little bit smaller than this, but this is perfect for my head size. So this might be comparable in terms of that. Now, the one thing I saw on this when I purchased it was that it had noise canceling, which is great. And this, of course, this is the box. You'll see the clip of the box. I'll show you right here. This is what's included with the Q20i's. This did have active noise canceling as well. It didn't work that well, but I saw the ratings on this and it seems to be very good. And I'm hoping this will last a lot longer than these. I had this for about 4 years and now it just doesn't power on anymore. It doesn't even work with the audio jack. Now, one of the pros with this is because it uses USB-C. Most of the devices I use now are USB-C, so that's one of the reasons why I got it. And of course, you have the jack and noise canceling as a button click, which is great. I'll have a clip right here on what's included. You'll get pretty much a charger, USB-C charger. You get a audio jack or audio plug or aux cable. And of course, you get the headphones. Now, other variations of this Q20 do come with the pouch. This version of Q20i does not come with the pouch, so it's just by itself. And this is things I liked when I saw this product. You have all these features, which are pretty cool. I don't know if I actually use it, especially the app, but I can tell you it will work really well with Bluetooth, which is the reason I'm using it, mostly for my computer, but also using it for my phone or whatever. So you also get a guide and booklet. It tells you how to pretty much pair it. Very straightforward. Nothing is very complicated. And if you didn't know, Soundcore is accompanied by Anker. So you can see right here, there's a volume button. There's also the on/off/pairing button, which you'll need to pair to Bluetooth. And we'll do that right now. I'll hold this button for 3 seconds and that the Q20i will pair on my Bluetooth on my computer. You see a light? Now it's in pairing mode. So now I have to find the device. As you can see right here on my computer, I found a Soundcore Q20i, which I'll connect to. And there you can see it's connected to my computer. Bluetooth works really easily. Now you can see right there it's connected to my computer. See, I can actually adjust it on the headphones and it'll adjust on the computer as well. So I'm gonna play some royalty-free music on YouTube. Now, I don't know if this will capture this pretty well, but let's see how it sounds. So the one thing I can say about this is that when you put this on, it's very bassy. It's on the natural or on the regular default EQ settings. It's very bassy. This is without me using any software that's included, and it's pretty cool. Overall, I really enjoyed this purchase because it's going to be a replacement for these, which I liked for years. Lightweight, it's very comfortable, and it's very easy to set up. So you also have the quality and reputation from Anker, and for a budget style headphone for wireless connection and noise canceling, I think this does all of those things. So this is awesome.